Hello, my wonderful friends. It is Sunday, September 19th. This is my usual day for a Sunday Live. However, I've been under the weather this week and in and out of the hospital, so I'm going to bring you a premiere today instead of the usual live at 5:30. It will still happen at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time and 8:30 Eastern Time. So I hope that you can enjoy the premiere and comment, like, and share. It's something that I really enjoyed doing, and I hope you enjoy watching it. We're going to get into the blues today and use a 3-chamber cup. I really enjoyed it, so I hope you will sit back and enjoy the music and watch the magic happen. Hope to see you there, and hope to see you next week when I will bring you alive from our RV, because we are going to take a little RV trip for 3 days, and I will record from there live. And maybe by the pool. Not sure how the internet connection will be, but I'm going to take my alcohol inks with me because it'll be a little easier than taking all of my paints. Anyway, have a great Sunday, and I will see you live next week. God willing, and the creek don't rise. Love you all. Hugs. And remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye.